Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Force. So today we'll be unboxing two packages from Neewer, a tripod and a green screen. Now, if you haven't heard of Neewer, they're one of the best photo and video companies out there, supplying awesome products for pretty good prices. I actually use one of their tripods to record pretty much all of my videos, and it works perfectly. Okay, so let's dive straight into the unboxing. Okay, so let's start with this box, which is for the tripod. Now, the tripod we'll be unboxing is about £100 and it looked really nice online. So it comes in a nice black box with the Neewer logo simply written on it. And it doesn't seem too large, even though it's able to extend to just under 2 meters. Now, inside we have a carrying case, which should hold the tripod, as well as a few manuals and additional pieces. Okay, so in terms of my initial thoughts, this tripod looks pretty nice and is certainly durable. It even comes with some sort of cover to protect the ball head, which is a useful addition. Okay, now during my use of the tripod, I thought it was very good. However, I wouldn't say it's suited to beginner photographers and videographers, as it's quite hard to understand and get to grips with, as there are various things it can do. But this tripod is certainly able to do a lot of useful things. For example, it can be used as a monopod, and you can also adjust various knobs to get quite unusual angled shots. You can also get shots from close to the ground as well as shots from overhead. So in terms of all the various possibilities, this tripod certainly covers all of them, and it would certainly be a decent purchase. Okay, but overall, at £100 it is quite expensive, so if you're looking for something which is easy to use and get to grips with, I would definitely recommend looking at some of Neewer's other tripods. For only £50 you can actually purchase the one that I use on a daily basis to capture all my footage. I'll link it below as well as the one shown in our video, so if you're interested in any of these tripods, please feel free to go take a look. Okay, now let's move on to our other product from Neewer. Okay, so in this rather flat box, we should have our green screen. So let's open it up. Okay, now inside we can see the green screen, which has been protected in plastic, as well as 3 mini clamps, which are actually pretty hard to open. And this is great for firmly holding the green screen in place. In terms of my initial thoughts on the quality, it seems pretty good and quite a bit thicker and heftier than other green screens out there. Now, the dimensions of this green screen is 9 feet by 15 feet, which is fairly large and should be perfectly suited for use during a small video shoot. So if any of you guys are looking to maybe start a YouTube channel or something like that, and are looking for a green screen to adjust your backgrounds, this is certainly a good product to take a look at. When testing it out for myself, I was able to get some pretty good results, so it certainly works. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like these two products from Neewer, please go ahead and check them out by clicking on the links in the description below. And whilst you're there, remember to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.